Hello, my dear viewers. Myself, Rakesh Kumar, welcome you to this program that is Forex Trading with Rakesh. It is being hosted on Dukas Copy Webinar YouTube channel. Now, since it is being hosted on Dukas Copy, so you might be thinking that I am an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Those who are aware of it, that I am not Dukas Copy's employee. For them, it is not the information, but for those who are not aware, let me tell you that I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am an independent trader, and this webinar I'm doing on their YouTube platform because my channel is not so famous. Okay? It's been 1 year for this type of program that we are conducting on Dukas Copy's YouTube channel. Okay. So when I say that I am not their employee, it means that whatever I'm going to tell you here on this live stream, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. So all the views or the trading opinion or the trading idea that I'm going to discuss, they are of my own. And in this live stream, we'll only be discussing the price action or the technical analysis, I will say, rather, because I will be using volumes and RSI in some places. And as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so I don't talk about anything else other than the charts itself. So in this program, we will be using the candlestick type of charts. Reason being, they give us very good information, more information than the other type of charts. And by using those candlestick charts, we will try to find out the key levels from where the prices can reverse or can extend their move. And if you stay here for some time, you will know, you will understand what is the meaning of this, what I'm saying. When I'm done with my analysis, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers. If your questions are relevant, I will be answering them immediately. So please, I encourage you to ask more and more questions so that your doubts are not there in your brains, in your minds. So please keep asking questions if you have any in the chat box that is provided on the right side of the video. Before I begin, I also want to tell you that this is only for increasing your knowledge or about understanding about the charts. Please do not take my views as the trading advice, because they are not the trading advice. So please do your own research before you put your real money on the line. With this, I'm done with the introduction. Let's go through risk disclaimer, and they're on the charts. So here are the charts. Sorry for being late today, guys. We are a little late today, but still okay. So first things first, as always, this is the daily chart of the dollar index right now on your screens. This is a zone of resistance that we were expecting, and the candle that you can see right now, which is daily candle, this is called a bearish pin bar at the resistance, and this pin bar has forced the price to come below the level of resistance, that is 103.25. that means above this level the buyers are not interested in the dollar. Okay, so this is a simple thing, but from the daily point of view, this is not the thing that we are looking for. From the daily point of view, we are looking for the price to actually give us a price below 102.65. We want to see this market falling below 102.65, then only we can be sure, okay, now the selling has started, okay, in the dollar. Yes, this is an indication, but this is not a confirmation. But if you go to the 4 hours, there you will see the price has today made a higher high. So when the price makes a higher high, and whatever was the previous high, between them whatever was the highest low, that is our swing pivot. So for on the 4 hour, now 102.92 pi is the swing pivot. If the price trades below this level, we will become sellers in this market. Okay, we will become sellers in this market on the 4 hour time frame. But from the daily time point of view, from From the daily point of view, 102.65 is the support. Now from euro, has euro gone below this level? No, it has not gone below this level. So euro is at a crucial point where we can look for buying euro, but only above 1.0833 we should be looking for a buy. If the price goes below 1.0833, it cannot be a buying opportunity. Okay, that will be a selling opportunity. So this is an area where we should be looking for a buying opportunity. Right now the price has tested that area, and we don't want the price to test 1.0833. So if you create a channel out of it, you will see that yes, something positive is developing in the euro. On the 4 hour it is more obvious. Yeah, look at this. So if you create a channel out of it, once this channel breaks, you can be sure that the uptrend has resumed, and the target will be 1.1065. This is the first target. Later on we have multiple targets on the way up, but yes, if this support is holding, that means there is possibility of going higher. On the downside, 1.0833 is the support, and on the upside, 1.1065 is the resistance. That's all. There is nothing much to talk about here. Okay, on the similar lines, the pound also has broken out and tested that support level, which was resistance earlier. So there is no reason for the pound now to go down here. So it may go only towards 1.2818, which is the resistance. On the downside, now I expect 1.2738 as the support. Nothing much here also. Yeah, here I told you that Australian dollar is in a sell mode. So even if it starts rising from here, I will be cautious on buying this pair. So rather than buying this pair, why I will not buy euro, which is at the support, and why I will not buy the pound, which has already gone higher than the previous resistance. So if you want to buy something against the dollar, I think pound will be a good opportunity, but Australian dollar will not. Yeah, if you want to sell something, then that will be Australian dollar, I think. Okay, so now the resistance on the upside is 0.6453. On the downside, the support is 0.6364. New Zealand dollar is also similar to the Australian dollar. If the price goes higher, we can be looking for selling opportunities in these rather than buying them against the US dollar. So resistance for this one is 0.5996 and support is around 0.5902. But because it has now started giving us green candles, so I will say that for some days, just stay away from these charts, Australian dollars and New Zealand dollar. Stay away from them. When they reach some good value of resistance, then start selling this only after confirmation. US dollar must be falling here against yen. Yes, it is falling. So this correction may extend towards 143.88 like we were discussing yesterday. It may extend even further also, and it may be even okay. On the daily it is only an uptrend. So yes, so it can even go back to 141.51 also, but I will be looking for a buying opportunity close to 143.88. Okay, and on the upside now, this particular high that the price has made yesterday, that may be the next level of resistance whenever the price resumes uptrend. Okay, so immediate resistance is 145.06, immediate support is 143.88 in this market. Dollar against the Canadian, we were expecting this level to act as a resistance, and look at the volumes at this sell-off. Means at this sell-off there has been a huge volume. That means a lot of people are trying to cover their positions at this breakout. That means they have sold their positions, I think, here. So expect some down move at least towards 134.612. Okay, on the upside we have a resistance around 1.3654. Expect some support around 1.3461. US dollar against the Swiss franc has reached the level of resistance where we should be looking for selling this market, but we cannot sell it right now. Why we cannot sell it right now? Because it is a green candle, so we never sell the green candles. So wait for the right type of candlestick which shows you yes, now there is a bearish control. So if the bears are not in control of the market, so why sell? So wait for the right action. This is not the way that we sell the market. Okay, so we wait in this. Silver, finally Finally there is some buying, but that was rejected at this resistance. So yes, now the silver has stuck between the technicals and the, what I will say, fundamentals. Fundamentally it should go up, but technically it should go down. So let's see how which side wins. But I think technical side will win because there has been already a lot of selling and these lows have not been taken out. That means the buyers are trying to take control of the market at the lower levels. When the buyers emerge at the lower levels, they definitely take price to some level, at least 224.03 they will be able to take, I think. But also this line is giving a lot of resistance to the price, so price may be maybe for some days it will remain between these two lines. Okay, gold. Gold has gone into some consolidation. Okay, on the daily it has closed below 1892. Now closing below 1892, I think I told you already that will open the way to 1804 levels. Now that way is open. Even today's closing will confirm a weekly closing below that. Today is Friday, you remember. So if today the price closed below 1892, that too with sufficient volumes, that will indicate that the price is going towards 1804. Okay, so keep that in mind. Brent upside again has resumed. Now the next level of resistance is 85.82, although I will be looking for a selling opportunity here. Why? Because in the process of going down, it was not a pullback, it breached through this low. That means their stop losses are triggered. Yes, the buying has emerged, but that buying may not be sufficient to push the prices higher. So I am expecting sellers to enter the market in this zone. In this zone, I'm expecting sellers to enter the markets. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold. But 85.82 is the resistance now and 83.30 is the support. Bitcoin, finally Bitcoin has started an avalanche. I think this was much awaited. We were expecting it to happen below 28,549 and now 24,766 is the target, because below between these two areas there is nothing here. Okay, so this maybe tomorrow or day after we will reach 24,766. If the price starts rising from here, this 28,549 should act as a resistance. Fin Nifty, what is Fin Nifty, bro? Brother, this is only futures of currencies and commodities. So you want Nifty analysis? I'm sorry, we don't do Nifty analysis. This is only for forex markets and commodities. What is Fin Nifty? I even don't know Fin Nifty. I know Bank Nifty and otherwise normal Nifty. Anshu? And by the way, where are you from, Anshu? Okay, so Bitcoin is headed towards, I think, 24,766. Below that, we can see that 23,890 will be exposed. Okay, and if the price starts rising from here, 28,549 should offer some resistance to the price. Similar is the case of Ethereum. I think Ethereum we had already discussed that below 1797, the way of 1699 will be opened. But in a day only, it has fallen below 1621, although there was a bias in the lower levels. Okay, no problem. Okay. Creative Anshu, can you explain me what is FIN NIFTY, please? A bit. I really don't know about it. I know Bank Nifty, I know Nifty, that's all. Now, since you are from India and I am also from India and you are asking me to do this analysis, I can do that. But you first need to tell me what is this instrument that you are talking about. So 1621 seems like holding right now, but even if it holds, I think it will not be for a long time, because every rise will be now sold off. 1797 will be a selling opportunity for the sellers if they want to. And since it has breached the level of 1621, now the next level is here. So I'm just keeping it on my chart for your understanding. 1367 is the next level, which we should be keeping an eye on. Every rise from this from Ethereum here should be seen as a selling opportunity. Euro against New Zealand, uptrend is intact, but this may be a small pullback. And if you want to become sellers in this market, then 1.82, oh sorry, where is my price mark? This is not my price mark. My price mark is 1.8204. So 1.8204 needs to be taken out to the downside. Fin Nifty is the symbol for Nifty Financial Services Index in the stock. It is an index that includes the stock values of various companies that are part of the Indian financial sector. Okay, let me check. It must be on TradingView. Can you see this on TradingView? Is it there? Let me know. Okay, so if it goes below 1.8204, then we will become sellers in this market. On the upside, the resistance is around 1.8629. And right now the market is buying market, but below 1.8204, it will become a selling market. Euro against the Australian is also finding some resistance, I think, at the top. Similar is the case for this also, but on the daily, the support is very far. On the 4 hour, it is here. On the 4 hour, it is here. So if 1.6862 breaks, then we become sellers in this one also. But I think it will pull back as a little, and then it will again start growing up, which I am expecting, because I am expecting euro to go up from now against US dollar. Australian dollar finally broke lower from this rising channel, and also after striking this falling channel's resistance area, there is a bearish engulfing, and now there is a follow up for that. So 1.0718 and later on 1.0559 is exposed in this market. So Anshu, what is the level right now for Fin Nifty on your screen? What is the level? Which level is it trading right now? Yes, it's on the trading. At what level it is trading right now? And what is your opinion on that? Let me know. So Great Britain pound has taken all the targets that we were discussing till yesterday. Yesterday also it has given us a bullish pin, but that means there are more profits on the way up. 2.0345 is the next level of resistance. On the way down, first level of support is 1.9711, and there is no point in selling this market right now. US 30, we have got the area where we were looking for a buying opportunity. On the daily, it can be seen as a pin bar, although it is not bullish, but I am expecting it to turn bullish right now. There's a bullish engulfing, although on the 4 hour. One can take the risk if he wants to, because this is a multi-month support. You see, there was a triangle. The triangle broke out, and the price has finally come back to test this as a fresh support. Now, if you don't want to take a risk, what you can do is you can keep a simple stop order above this area as a buy order. If the price continues from here, then only it will execute, otherwise it will not execute. So keep a stop order above and as a buying order, and you can target the previous highs that the price has made, and the previous highs are around 35,700 areas. So it is good, and stop loss can be below this low that the price has just made. I watched Tour Fibonacci level playlist. It's very helpful for me. I learn many things. Oh, I don't have any Fibonacci level playlist, brother. I think it is of it's not mine. It's of Miha Fibonacci level playlist. That's not mine. Okay, maybe you are confusing between two others. Okay. I don't think I have any Fibonacci level playlist. CAT JPY. So CAT JPY consolidation, and now finally has started a down move. 104.24 is the support, 109.50 is the resistance. Nothing new here. At CHF, we are expecting a down move. Okay, that down move happened, but immediately it was bought back. So could that be that could be a signal that there are buyers sitting below 0.6476. So let's see if they can push the prices toward 0.6609. Right now, if I push it down, so the support becomes 0.6453, and now the resistance is 0.6609. Search on TradingView, CNX Finance. I watch your mention. Okay, I will search for this. Okay, copy, search on TradingView. I will search. Okay, just I have brother, I have only three pairs, 4 pairs to discuss, and later on I will do it on TradingView for you. Okay, don't worry. GBP CAD, we have higher targets. The price is very fast going towards 1.7333. It is almost done. The targets are almost done. So 1.7339 is the resistance, 1.7002 is the support. US Tech, Also the targets are taken. 14,687 was the target. Even the price has now gone below, so the next target is 14,207. So everything is as per plan, I think. Nothing. Okay, now ODJP, we were expecting that this pair may go higher, but it is getting shredded because of I think a weak Australian dollar against the US dollar. Before move some for pullback and create higher low, or move some for pullback and create higher low. Then do you mean? I am not able to understand your English, brother. Creative Anshu. So here, if I think if we see a close below, then the 93.03 will start acting as a good resistance, and then we can target 90.25 in this market, although this low may be offering some support on the way down. Okay, that is 91.78. Last is Euro GBP. It has closed lower. The targets are 0.8502. A break below 0.8502 will open the way for 0.8407. Now, since Anshu, you are here, you are asking me to US30 has reached the level of 34,434. All right, so my alert has triggered. All right, guys, so you are asking me for Nifty. I'm also from India. Guessing. I think it is not there. India. Are you talking about this index, which is right now at 18,741 level? Are you talking about this index? Is this SNX Nifty? Hello, hello, Benny. Benny, our webinar is over now. We are going. You are late, Benny. Anshu, is this the Nifty that you are talking about? 18,741 levels right now? This is index, Indian index. I've sold gold today finally. Why did you sell it now? Tell me. Why did you sell gold? I told you that below 1892, it is not worth keeping it. It's not worth keeping it. I'm in Berlin today. Had a meeting, didn't finish early. Okay. So you see this. I told you that if it trades below 1892, it is not our thing to keep. But yes, if you want to sell it, I've sold gold today finally. Okay, sold. You mean you have opened the position in a sell or not? If you have sold it, then I think 1.2 profits today. What is 1.2? Okay, so you have sold it and you are making profits on it. So my friend, you can keep it till 1804. No, I will send you later. Okay, so on the way down, keep an eye on this level. Okay, keep an eye on this level, 1858 level. Okay, yes, from 95, 996. Okay, so you can hold this position for 1858 first target and then 1804 as the second target. So 19481 level. Okay, I am doing that on the trading view. Just wait a minute. If the trading view is there, yes, from 95, and I'm serious, man. What do you mean? Yes, I am also serious. Keep this. Keep holding that position. I'm not joking. I'm not joking, man. You keep that position. Oh, it's a good position. All right, guys. Can you see this chart on your screen? Tell me. Let me know if you can see this chart. Oh, Benny, for that you have to come to my Skype. I think you have to touch base with me on Skype. I cannot share my IBAN here, you know. It is only 1.2k profit, man. You will earn more on this. Don't worry. Okay, so Nifty Financial Services. This is what you want me to check, right? Creative Anshu? 90,451 level. Yes. So, okay, weekly. First we go on monthly. All right. This particular thing is in an uptrend, my friend. Okay, on the monthly at least it is in an uptrend. I mean, it's a start, yes, but keep your stop losses tight, right? We are not traders, we are risk managers. Okay, so this is one thing. You see, this is how you analyze the market. Okay, on the monthly, first you lock the monthly levels, then you switch to the weekly, give a bank nifty analysis, leave. See you next time. Oh, brother, now it is being done. You have to go through the entire process. We cannot leave. So here the price was going and making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, made lows. On daily it has started a down move. Okay, in the weekly and sorry, in the monthly it was uptrend. In the weekly it has started a down move, and I switched to the daily. Can we check US30 quickly, please, or is it too late? No, it is not late. We still have 30 minutes to go. We can check it for you. Don't worry. Oh, you are sending me money. Why will I not do it for you? Okay, so here is the daily, my friend. On the daily you can see that. Okay, I will just remove this. Let us conclude it on the daily. So on the daily, the price started making higher highs and higher lows. Fair enough. Higher highs and higher lows. There was some consolidation, and then finally price made a higher high, higher low, higher high. Now the price made a lower low, a lower high. So this is a downtrend on the daily. Okay, brother, this is a downtrend on the daily, and now this is your resistance zone. So whatever is the low of this candle, 19,731. So this 9732 area or 31 area should be seen as an area of opportunity for you to go short. Okay, so this is an area where you should be looking for selling opportunity. So what you can do here is, Anshu, you can look for something like this. If that happens, you can look for something like this and this. Okay, now in this process you might be thinking that if it goes from here to here, then this channel will be spoiled. I will show you which channel I'm talking about. If you create a channel like this, so most probably this channel will be broken. So you can push it like this, and you can expect on Monday a sell off if the price rises from here. All right, suggest some videos on your YouTube video for learning. Suggest some videos on your YouTube video. Oh, what you can do is you can go to this channel only, where you can find two playlists. Hello Julius, how are you? Julius is late, but it's okay. Okay, so we are seeing something. This is called Indian Nifty Financial Services Market, whatever. So 19,731 is a crucial resistance. If you can get, Anju, if you can get a selling opportunity there, that will be good. And if you want to go for the 4 hour, I think on the 4 hour also, that is a resistance on, because that market is opening only for say 6 hours. So you expect some rise here and then push down, because this level has not been tested after breakdown. So expect 19,731 to be tested anytime. So bias is, yes, bias is bearish. You cannot look for buying opportunities in this market. Don't buy. Well, that's all. And now somebody is looking for this 30, right? Wait. So here comes the US30. Not the US30, but yes, something is happening here. So we go to US30. Where is US30? Here it is. So what I just mentioned here is that the price has finally tested that area which we were expecting to act as a support. Okay, we were expecting the buyers to jump in here around 34,400 levels. Yes, the buyers have jumped in, but they have allowed the sellers to dive deep, and then they have jumped in. Okay, So what you can do is, I think already shared this in today's webinar only. So we are not sure whether the buyers will be able to push the markets higher or not. We are not sure right now. Benny, can you see this? So we are not sure. So yes, they pushed the market to here, they breached this high, but thereafter there was a selling. Although at the similar level, which we have already discussed earlier in this video, that this level is looking for some support. The buyers are looking for some support. Okay. So the buyers are here, but will they be able to take the prices back towards 34,921 or 35,213? We are not sure. So why we will risk our money when we are not sure? So my suggestion to you is that why don't you put a stop order here somewhere above this candle's high, where the buyers were able to push the prices in the first go. So what we do is we wait for the price to reach here. If the price reaches here above this, then our position will be initiated. We will become a buyers, and our stop loss will be below the low of this particular bullish candle, which is here 34,248, something like that. Okay, and our first target will be 34,921. Second target may be 35,213, and third target may be 35,845 also. Yes, I expect some pullback, then bearish. Yes, exactly. Creative Vanshu, not here, not in this one, but he's talking about some other index that we just discussed on the trading view. What about this one? In this one, I am expecting a move towards 34,921 now, and even I am expecting a bigger move than this one. I am expecting 35,845 and even 36 and even 39 and 40,000. Why? Look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. I will show you the weekly. This may also be your trade of the year. Okay, look at this ascending triangle. Every time this level was acting as a good resistance. This time finally this level is broken. Is that okay? The daily, yes, that was 4 hour. So here the price came back to test this level. From here you look at this bearish weekly candle. Do you want to buy in front of this bearish candle? No. So you switch to daily. You see, is there some hope on the daily? Yes, on the daily it is trying to become a bullish pin bar. But will you buy at the make of a bullish pin bar? No. The best strategy is, if there is a you can say continuation in the this, then only you should open the position. So if you're looking for a continuation, then the best idea is you make a buy stop order above the high of this particular candle. Keep a stop loss below the low of this candle. If your idea is right, you get this much of profit. Okay, if your idea is wrong, you get this much of loss. That's it. Now if it satisfies you as 1:3, or if you are targeting this one, if you are targeting this area, then you will definitely get 1:3. See, you will get 125,000 take profit, and your stop loss will be around 30,000. Fair enough. 1:5 risk to reward ratio you will get. So why not? I think this is a good idea, good setup, but you should not buy it immediately. What is my point here is that you keep a stop order like this, like I am keeping right now in front of you. Okay, like this. Buy, stop, buy, bid, because this is a bid market. Okay, and whatever volume you want to keep, you keep it, and then you keep your stop loss just below this. Okay, here like this, and you can keep your take profit like this on this area, just below this area. Okay, so that before resistance your stop loss gets triggered. That's it. Simple. Do you agree with this setup or not? Although it has not become green, this candle of today has not become green, but if it happens, if in next say 2 hours and 37 minutes, if that happens, then you should do this, or you can do this on Monday also. There's no problem. Got it? Anybody with me here? Do you understand this? And from, because you are seller in this thing, so I just want to discuss it with you. This is gold, right? So for gold, one thing that is worrying me is only this low here and these highs here. They may be able to give us a pullback from here, but that pullback will be, I think, trenched by this 1892, and I think there was a pullback already from here, and that is being trenched, or so there was a pullback from here, you see, but there came a bearish pin bar as a bearish engulfing at the resistance. So I have much hopes of this price going down from here. Okay, And also, why I'm expecting this to go down from here? Yeah, technically it should go down, but only thing that I am bothered about is dollar index is going down. If the dollar index goes down, guys, because it is a negative correlation, so when the dollar index goes down, the gold prices go up. Okay, the gold prices, sorry, dollar index goes up, the gold prices go down. So that is the problem, that is the thing which is bothering me about here. So maybe if the dollar index starts going down, gold may start going up, but I am expecting 1858 at least before it starts a move up. I think I cannot stress it more. I hope now what you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. So please feel free to ask any questions if you have, and just keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Okay, so do I have your permission to end this live stream? We are ending it for the week. We will see you on next week. So all right, guys, I shall end this live stream now. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new to this channel. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you maybe on Monday. Bye bye. Take care. So TP at 1858. Yes, I think you should be considering 1858 because 1858 is a crucial level. Why it is a crucial level? Because this was the resistance from where the sellers were able to push the prices down, but this level was broken immediately. So you can say people did not get a chance to go long in the gold. They did not get another opportunity to buy here. So this may be a buying opportunity for them. So you mean they will be aligned with this dollar index here? If 3-4 days dollar index holds here and gold keeps falling, then I think 1858 should be seen as covering up opportunity. So you should cover it up here. So because from here I have a caution that there is a possibility that from here the price can go like this also, and then you may be surprised that your all profits are gone like this. Why? Because I'm expecting the dollar index here to go like this. So if this goes down, so there's a potential that this will go up like this. So in that case, I think your stop loss will be triggered somewhere here. Okay, so some low profits, small profits, make some small profits, it's okay. Or otherwise what you can do is, what best you can do is go to 1 hour. Okay, you see, you will always see that the price is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Okay, lower low here. When it makes another lower low, bring your stop loss here. So when it makes another lower high, another lower low, bring your stop loss here. So keep doing like this. Maybe you want to keep it doing for a week. Okay, this will keep happening. Okay, this will keep happening. When the price finally reach here, take out your profits. And if you want to continue, bring your stop loss here. Okay, something like this is going to happen because this will be a downtrend until and unless the previous high is taken out. And if the previous high is taken out, boom, you are out of the market. This is what you want. Yes, this is what you want. So TP should be 1858, I think. Yeah. Looking at this 1 hour, okay, so this price action is also negated. So yeah, this is not bothering me now. These lows had no volumes, so expect some down move. Okay, thank you for what's that area? What's that area? That area is the previous high. See, previous high from where the buyers pushed the markets to these new highs. But the buyers actually, if you look at the psychology of the market, those who initiated their positions here, they pushed the market so fast that the buyers, the sellers who were there when the stop losses got triggered, they did not get another opportunity to go long in this market. Did they get any opportunity to go long? No. Only some buyers got the opportunity at this candle because there was a pullback. They got long and pushed the market higher further. But here the price never came back to this area. First time when the price comes back to a resistance area, it tends to act as a good support. So that is my expectation, and that we will see what happens when the price meets this area. Okay. All right, guys, smash that like button, do whatever you want to do, but it should turn white in color. Okay. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday, have a good time, enjoy your weekend. Don't think too much about the market, don't think too much about the money, think about the process. The profits will flow. Before you enter the market, you should know where is your stop loss. Okay. Without stop loss, you are just doing a suicide. Okay, Tega, thank you for joining us, and thank you, Benny, for joining. Thank you, Creative Anshu, and I think there was some one more. Okay, only three are here. Yeah, only. Bye bye. Take care. Bye 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 bye.